Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore charitable donation receipts in PayPal and import into TurboTax step by step clearly. To start, log into your PayPal account. On the home page, locate and click on the Activity tab at the top of the page. In the Activity section, select the filter option to customize your view. Choose Custom to specify the date range for the donations you need. Click on the drop-down menu and select the appropriate date range. Once you set the filter, click Update to refresh your activity list. Scroll through the transactions until you find your charitable donations. For each donation, click on the transaction for more details. In the Transaction Detail view, look for the Print option and click it. This will open a new window displaying the receipt. You may choose to either print the receipt or save it as a PDF. To save as a PDF, click on the print icon, then select Save as PDF from your printer options. After saving all necessary receipts, log into your TurboTax account. Navigate to the section where you can enter your charitable donations. Look for the option to manually input your donation details. Refer back to the receipts you saved from PayPal. Input the donation amounts, the charities' names, and the corresponding dates. Make sure to check that the information matches the receipts. Once all donations are entered, review your entries for accuracy. Proceed through the TurboTax prompts until you reach the summary section. Here, you can confirm that your charitable contributions have been accurately recognized. Finally, complete the rest of your tax filing as guided by TurboTax. You have now successfully restored your charitable donation receipts from PayPal and imported them into TurboTax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.